Hi everybody, I just want to do a quick video talking about the Ethereum price relative to the Bitcoin price and where we could be. So I want to look at a quick chart for that as well. Somebody asked in the group, so I thought I'd kind of answer that in this video form and kind of put it out on YouTube and Twitter and that. So we'll jump over to this chart just now. And what we can see here, this is the Ethereum price relative to the Bitcoin price. So it's the ETH BTC kind of price here. And this is it in Satoshi. This is what Ethereum is in Satoshi value. So you can hear 7.7% basically. So up here, we've got a price for Ethereum. This is the Ethereum price in orange and the Bitcoin price in blue. Ethereum price just now 3,410, Bitcoin price 43,805. If you did a calculation and did the price comparison, you'd see that Ethereum is 7.7% the price of Bitcoin. And this is where you've got here, and this is how you can do a quick calculation. Now down here, we can see that the Ethereum price relative to Bitcoin is going up all the time. That means Ethereum is outstripping Bitcoin with regards to price. When you see the Bitcoin price going down relative to Ethereum, you know you're better holding Bitcoin. When you see Ethereum price going up relative to Bitcoin, you know you're better holding Ethereum because it's outstripping the Bitcoin price. So that's what's happening just now. So what I want to show you here is that we're going up. If we can take these off just now, this is the Ethereum Bitcoin price, remember? We can take these off, and this is on the weekly. We can see a big kind of pattern forming here that kind of broke out in February. And I kind of looked at this in February and seen this pattern breaking out, and it's continuing to break out big style. So what we've got here is a symmetrical triangle. And we've got 3 points on each. So we've got a symmetrical triangle with 3 points to the resistance line and the support line as well. Normally what happens with a symmetrical triangle, we'll take the top of the triangle and we'll kind of transpose onto there. And this here line is a measured breakout price. So we can expect the price to go to roughly where this is. Now we're not talking price here, we're talking the price of Ethereum with regards to Bitcoin. So we're talking about 20% of the Bitcoin price. That's where we can expect this to keep on going to, because it's already broken out, and it broke out on the 12th of April here, and this is on the weekly. So we can expect this to continue going up and seeing about 20% of the Bitcoin price. Now what does that mean? Basically, if we think that Bitcoin price is going to say $100,000 by the end of this year, then 20% of that is $20,000. And that means Ethereum could get to $20,000 if it kind of pushes up to this 20% level of the Bitcoin price. It's doing it just now, it's looking good just now. It's did it in the past as well. You can see here it went from 0.2% of the Bitcoin price all the way up to 3.5%, kind of broke out there. It did the same back in December 2016 when it broke out, went up to 15%, and it's did it a couple of times but not as big. This is shaping up to be a big move up in relative terms to the Bitcoin price. So I think we're going to continue seeing this rise up, possibly seeing 15% breaking its all-time high and going up possibly towards 20%. And if Bitcoin does get to 100,000 by the end of the year, we're looking at $20,000 Ethereum. But even if it gets and stays at say $50,000 by the end of the year for Bitcoin, 20% of that, we're talking a $10,000 Ethereum price as well. So it's looking good for Ethereum. I'm still very bullish on it, and I just wanted to share that with you. Okay, until next video. Namaste. Take care. Bye now.